My name is Tory Jennings. I heard about the Guardian project through a Cairo radio ad back in November of last year while I was here visiting for Thanksgiving. I nominated my good friend Andrea Bockover. I nominated Andrea for the Guardian Halo project because I've known her since I was young, well, not that young, in high school. Um, she's gone through tremendous things in her life, and she had bought the house, and she was struggling. You know, she was a single mom and trying to do the best she can for her daughter, and it just seemed like the right thing to do at the time. I knew that Andrea was nominated for the Guardian Halo project in February when you guys gave me a call and just had some follow-up questions, and then told me that you guys had chosen not just one but two, and Andrea was one of them. You know, it's funny because when you guys called me to let me know, I was actually just at my first day at a new job in California. I was with my new boss and my other boss having lunch, and my initial reaction was, I almost broke down in tears and was super excited and very happy. But I was with my boss, so I was like, oh, I gotta keep it together. But it was just shock and just, it's one of those things you don't expect to happen to you in life. But it was gratefulness, shock, happiness, everything all at once. It was a great feeling. She is immensely grateful. It's going to change, her family's health and well-being in the house. They've been concerned about health reasons for the mold and that. She's got asthma and other breathing problems, so it's going to just, it's going to free her up to live her life much more worry-free. It's going to be great. It's an amazing project. You guys have been absolutely unbelievable.